Cain, make it quick. I have work to do.
I won't take up too much of your time.
Carry on then.
I just wanted to give you something as a gift, as congratulations for all your success, and as payback for all these years.
Did you say something else, Cain?
Got you now, Stanley. Who's my and Pa's favorite now? Stanley. Stanley, this isn't funny anymore. I actually killed him. I didn't mean to. Shit. I gotta leave.
Man found dead in home, head blown off. Authorities are unsure of if foul play is in the cards. We'll keep you up to date. The victim has been identified as Stanley Ravensburg, local weather forecaster and son of Mary Ravensburg and Noah Ravensburg. His family is requesting to be left alone while they mourn the loss of their son. In other news, local game show host Cain Ravensburg has recently vanished, leaving townsfolk suspicious. With that, we've reached the end of our news broadcasting day. I've been Matthew West. This has been Mandela Nightly News. Good night. Stay safe.